First, use a pry tool to pry out the air outlet on the left. The air outlet is tight. Remember not to use too much force. Next, go to the two air outlets in the passenger seat. Unscrew the 4 screws from a main unit. Remove a CD player cover, then use the special key to take out the CD player. Unplug the cable from the back of the CD player. There are 2 screws on the main unit here. Now you can take out the screen. Unplug the wire at the back. Here, use your hands to pull out the air outlet inside. Then use 2 zip ties and make one to fix the air outlet. Take out the air outlet we equipped and aim it at its bayonet. Bring the wing down. This is what we fixed. The metal strips installed here are used to fix the screen. This is what the air outlet looks like after it is installed. Move the original passenger air outlet to a new decorative strip. Start installation screen. This is the effect after installing a screen.